In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically display tick and cross icons in Excel based on cell values. This is a fantastic way to visually represent data, making spreadsheets more intuitive and easier to understand at a glance. To get started, we're going to begin by highlighting the range of cells where you want these tick and cross icons to appear. Think about the sections of your spreadsheet where visual clarity can make a real difference. Once you've selected your range, look towards the top of Excel. Navigate to the Home tab. Here you'll find various formatting options, but we're interested in a particular feature called Conditional Formatting, which you'll spot on the right side. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select New Rule. Now we're diving into setting up the rule itself. You'll want to choose the option labeled Format All Cells based on their values. This option allows us to apply specific icons depending on the values contained within the cells. Moving forward, look at the Format Style drop-down menu. Click it and select Icon Sets. Make sure you check the box that says Show Icon Only. By doing this, the numbers themselves are hidden, leaving only the icons visible, which makes your spreadsheet sleek and focus-driven. For now, we'll stick with the default icon style that Excel provides, as it offers several useful choices. As we venture into customizing these icons, you'll need to click on the first icon and change it to a tick mark. The icon styles are quite flexible, so select the one that best fits your needs for a clear tick. Next, for the second icon, switch it over to a cross mark. Finally, for the third icon, choose No Cell Icon. This selection ensures a clear representation without additional icons cluttering your data. Here comes a crucial part, setting the conditions. By default, Excel operates using percentages, but for our purposes, we'll need to change that to number for both conditions. This adjustment allows for direct numerical control over which icons appear. Use the drop-down next to Type and select Number. Now, set the value for the tick to 1 and the value for the cross to 0. This configuration means that any cell containing a 1 or more will proudly display a tick mark. On the contrary, if a cell contains a 0, it will show a cross mark. Once you've meticulously set these parameters, go ahead and click OK. Now, it's time to test your setup. Enter some 1s and 0s across your selected range and watch as tick marks and cross marks dynamically appear. This visual cue not only enhances understanding but adds a professional touch to your Excel projects. Enjoy transforming your data with this straightforward and effective tool.